remember from my childhood, my mom had a practice of doing laundry in a mindful and meaningful way. I remember learning about it as a teenager because as a kid, I didn't really have the grasp of what was exactly was happening. But as a teenager, she confided in me that she missed doing my laundry when I did it because she always used to just pray for each of her children as she did each child's laundry. Each piece of laundry she folded. She would fold my brother's soccer jersey and pray that he'd be safe and healthy as he trained on his team. I had silly stripy socks. She'd fold my socks and she'd pray that my pathway would be smooth and take me where God had delight and joy waiting. It still touches my heart to think about and remember the smile on my mom's face when she was doing laundry. She didn't just wedge it in between all the million other things. She would actually do laundry for a period of time. She'd come out with this big smile, and I realize now that because she was so fully present in the laundry doing, because she was awake to the meaning of caring for her children, she wasn't the poor washerwoman with 95 shirts to fold. She was our champion. She was our biggest fan. She was the one who refused one pair of socks, one set of blue jeans at a time to let us fall through the cracks. She was there for us. The meaning in laundry. Who has ever had a transformational laundry experience like that?